Hello, everyone. I want to show you my Hey everyone, I want to show you my new favorite use case inside of Notion that blew my mind. Notion's AI updates have been incredible, and this is a recent update that they had that allows you, like, there's a speech bubble at the bottom right, and you can talk essentially to your databases. So today I had this idea. I'm like, you know what? In my CRM, I have a lot of what I have highlighted here as a revisit. It's essentially, let's see if I can. It's like a status that I have. Where is it? Oh my God. Oh yeah, here, status, close one. So I have a status here called revisit, not the right time. That means it was a good lead, but just not the right time, which is completely fair. And I'm like, man, I haven't reached out to them in a while. So look at this chat. I'm like, can you go through all my leads that are tagged as revisit, not the right time, and visit the email threads that I had with them and tell me which ones were the most promising? As in, the intent was positive, but it just simply wasn't the right time. Now, if you didn't know, Notion AI now, you can give it access to your Slack, your Google Drive, including your Gmail, access to web, and of course, access to Notion, right? This is insanely powerful because in my, what you want to call it, in my Gmail, people book meetings with me with Calendly, right? So, and in Calendly, I have questions like, can you afford us? We charge 6K per month, and we require a minimum 3 months commitment. So Notion AI was able to figure out which ones out of the revisit, not the right time, is a good fit. But in addition, I have something, I'm just going to use the same example again. So I have this thing, let me see if I can find it. So they added, okay, July 8th, and then, where is it? Time since, yeah. So I have this formula to just show me like how long it's been since this lead has been here. Because, you know, if a lead has been here for like 7-8 months and they haven't been contacted, honestly, I'd rather focus on net new or leads that are more warm. And Notion was able to pick up on that. So let's see if I can find it. I want to find you where it said, one sec, guys. So I found you 100 plus lead tagged as revisit, not the right time in your CRM. To analyze which ones had the most positive intent, I need to examine the email threads, right? That's what I was mentioning. So this was awesome. So I've analyzed your leads. Yeah, so here, for example, it tells me when I had a meeting with them, that we had an internal company task already created. This is amazing. Very recent, and knows that it was 1 month ago, and clear positive engagement, right? So it created a different tier system for this. So then I ask it, like, did you already go through all the leads? It says no. Says let me go through the rest. And then it even asked me, so check this out. There's a lot of leads that I have. So it said, can I prioritize by recent and deal size, which is super fair. So focus on the deals from the last 6 to 12 months with higher deal values. Look for leads with meeting history, huge. Filter by company size, and then search for specific email thread evidence of positive engagement. And it did it. It absolutely did it. And as someone who is running this business, I can obviously remember almost everyone that I spoke with, like when I see the name. And I'm like, genuinely, I forgot about some of these people. I'm like, oh my God, yeah, I should have been reaching out to them. So this is incredible. I realized that this is a very niche video. Like, most people would rather just pay for HubSpot or Pipedrive or whatever. I, as a Notion Power user, I just like, I love this kind of stuff because I can customize it however way I want. That was already something that I really liked. But now that I can talk with my databases, it makes me feel like the possibilities are like limitless. You know, like I could do anything. I can even ask it to take certain actions for me, which is incredible. So yeah, if you're a Notion user and you have a CRM in your Notion, like I would honestly love to just chat with you about this. So leave a comment down below. If you thought this was helpful in any way, also let me know. Like, it'd be really nice to see if my videos are reaching Notion users. Because again, I know this is niche. I do cold email, a lot of clay building, and stuff like that. Actually, I can just, while I have you here, the way we track everything, when someone books a meeting with us, is through Clay. So I'll show you how I do it. So I'm just going to go to Nito. Nito is the new meeting link that we use. Shout out to Nito. And this is how we track everything. So like when someone comes in, we make an API call to, earlier here, to Notion to see if the lead exists. So if they do exist, we update their information. If they don't exist, we add a new lead, and then we message our sales Slack channel that like we have a new lead that came in. So we're able to be quite organized, to be honest. I would definitely say like some stuff are not updated because like this kind of level of attention to detail has only been happening in the last couple of months. So that's why having this ability, this chatbot, to update some of these stuff is just incredible. So yeah, big fan of this update. I'm so excited now to use this. Genuinely, this is the kind of AI use cases that I like because it really makes me feel empowered. It makes me feel like I'm operating at 2x the efficiency that I would normally be operating under. So yeah, that's it from me for today. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye.